Alright, disassembly and reassembly of the AK-47. As with most, or all, first thing you want to do, kind of different to do it this way, remove the magazine, ensure that the chamber is empty. Alright, right here on the back there's a little knob, little button switch thing. You just push that, and you pop the top cover right off. Okay, that is actually the end of the recoil, or the recoil. Mainspring. So then you just push that again forward and remove it. Guide rod, there we go. From there you can take it off safe. Cock the hammer. Pull the bolt carrier, and the gas piston out. Set that up to the side. And you can remove the bolt if you want. Get the nagels on out of there. There it goes. And you can scrub your bolt, clean all that wonderful stuff. Get your bolt back in. There's the lug. You'll take down and back up. Okay. Reassembly is, again, the opposite order. Put your piston in that top hole. Make sure your bolt lines up. Your bolt carrier lines up when it lays down. There's one over there. Push it forward. Put your recoil spring in there. Line it up. This is the trickiest part right here. It's getting that dust cover lined up perfectly. Right in this little slot. Little groove right there. Right underneath the front sight. Or the rear sight. So you gotta get in there. And you just push straight down. That's it. There's your functions check. And you're done.